Good morning to everybody. So we are doing exercise 9.2, that is from the chapter areas of parallelogram and triangles. Look at the exercise 9.2, question number 5. It is given that exercise 9.2, question number 5, it is given in a figure PQRS and ABRS are parallelograms. Am I right here? What it is given? PQRS and ABRS are parallelograms, and X is at any point on the side BR. Where is the side BR? This is side BR. X is at any point on it. Okay. On the side BR, show that area of triangle. Show that area of PQRS equal to area of ABRS, and then second part you have to show that area of triangle AXS is equal to half of area of PQRS. Am I right here? Yes. Now parallelogram PQRS. Solution for the first part. Parallelogram PQRS and parallelogram ABRS lies on the same base. SR lies on the same base SR, and SR is parallel to PB. These two parallelogram, which parallelogram? PQRS and ABRS lies on the same base SR, and SR is parallel to PB. Therefore, area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of parallelogram ABRS. So we know that. So what we already learned. If two parallelograms are on the same base and between the same parallel, then they are equally area. Am I right? Yes. Now, after that, what it is given? In the given figure, they joined the point X with A and S. Am I right? Now, consider a parallelogram ABRS. This is the proof for the second part. The parallelogram ABRS and triangle AXS. Lies on the same base AS. And AS is parallel to BR. Am I right? So we know if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallel, then the area of triangle is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram. Area of triangle is equal to what here? Half of the area of the parallelogram. Which one is the area of the parallelogram? ABRS. Area of the parallelogram ABRS. Triangle AXS is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram ABRS. Here what we have to prove? But we have to prove something else. Area of triangle AXS is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram PQRS. But already we proved that area of the parallelogram ABRS is equal to area of the parallelogram PQRS. Therefore, area of triangle AXS is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Am I right here? So this is what we have to prove. Area of a triangle AXS is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Am I right here? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah, this is the last question in this exercise. A farmer was having a field in the shape of the parallelogram PQRS. Am I right? A farmer was having, it's very simple. It's question number 6, and this is already did 4 questions, and then today we did 5th question also. Now move to the question number 6. A farmer was having a field is in the shape of a parallelogram PQRS. Suppose if it is the field is in the shape of the parallelogram PQRS, okay, then she took any point A on RS. She took a point A, she took any point A on the side RS, join to it points P and Q. So this is a point P, this is a point Q here. Okay, fine sir. In how many parts the field is divided? The very first. In how many parts the field is divided? The field is divided into 3 parts. The field is divided into 3 parts. Divided into 3 parts. What are those 3 parts? Triangle APS, triangle APQ, and triangle ARQ. And triangle ARQ. Am I right? How many parts the field is divided? It's divided into 3 parts. And then, what are the shapes of these parts? Triangle. That means triangle APS, triangle APQ, and triangle ARQ. Am I right dear? Yes. Then, after that, the farmer wants to show the wheat and pulses in equal portion of the field separately. How should she do it? Now it's very simple, see. That means, we know that if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallel, that is triangle APQ and parallelogram PQRS lies on the same base PQ, and PQ is parallel to SR, and PQ is parallel to, and between the same parallel PQ is parallel to SR. So we can conclude that area of triangle APQ is equal to half of the area of the parallelogram, PQRS. Am I right here? Now bring this to this side, then it will be 2 times of area of triangle APQ is equal to area of parallelogram PQRS. Now area of parallelogram PQRS is nothing but area of triangle APQ, sum of the areas of these 3 triangles. That means twice of area of triangle APQ is equal to area of triangle APQ plus area of triangle APS plus area of triangle ARQ. Area of triangle ARQ. I think last one it is not visible for you. That means area of triangle ARQ. Am I right? Yes. Now this can be written as twice of area of triangle APQ minus area of triangle APQ equal to area of triangle APS plus area of triangle ARQ. So that means area of triangle APQ, which is equal to area of triangle APS plus area of triangle ARQ. So what she can do now, if she decided to show wheat here in the full area of triangle APQ, and then she can cultivate pulses in these 2 portions. What are these 2 portions? In triangle APS and triangle ARQ. Am I right? Otherwise, if she decided to cultivate wheat here in these 2 portions, and then she will cultivate, yes, pulses in this portion triangle APQ. Are you getting dear? Are you getting or not? Yes. So we completed this exercise, and then Monday we will continue the rest of the chapter. Thank you everybody. Thank you.